Hello. In this tutorial, we're going to do something really interesting, which is more like a mini debate, meaning I said. So, Ticketek versus Ticketmaster, which is better? Now, let's get serious with this. Head over there, we're going to look at different options. All right, we're going to look at the features of each ticket platform, and then we're going to see which one is better. All right, now remember, at the end of the day, you're going to have to be the one to make that decision. But we're just going to present all of the features so that you can weigh, and of course, once you have weighed them, you'll be able to tell which is better. So the first feature is geographic reach. Now, Ticketek primarily serves the Australian and New Zealand markets primarily. So it's mostly tilted towards Australian and New Zealand markets. All right, so to say it has expanded to serve United Kingdom, but primarily it caters to Australian and New Zealand markets. On the other hand, Ticketmaster boasts a global presence. So Ticketmaster has a wider coverage, a wider international coverage. So if you want a ticket platform or a ticketing platform that is more internationally focused, then you will have to use Ticketmaster and not Ticketek that is restricted to just two regions. Then the next is ownership. Now, the ownership of this ticketing giant differs significantly, and then Ticketek is owned by TEG Pty Limited, an Australian-based company, while Ticketmaster is under the Live Nation Entertainment, which is a major player in the global space. So, do global, do Ticketmaster, do specifics, do Ticketek. All right, so pricing. Now, Ticketek has a reputation for being more affordable than Ticketmaster, especially in the Australian and New Zealand markets. So, however, you should know that pricing can vary for different events, and it's advisable to compare prices before purchasing tickets. Now, both platforms often feature special promotions and discounts. So, it is said that Ticketek is more affordable when it comes to pricing, especially when it's in New Zealand and Australian markets. But it's also going to be nice if you also compare prices. You can check the concerts available in Ticketek and also check them in Ticketmaster, compare prices to know which one works for you. User friendliness. So it's often said that Ticketek is much more simple. Even the mobile application is very easy to navigate. But Ticketmaster has a lot of drama in it. It has extensive range of features that I like to say dramatic. So if you do not really know how to use the application, the web application or the mobile application, you may find it difficult at first. But once you get the hang of it, you'll just be good to go. So Ticketek, it's often user friendly when it comes to the user interface. And then resale of tickets. Now it says both of them now offer an official resale platform, so you can actually resell your tickets. Ticketek has Ticketek marketplace, while Ticketmaster has Ticketmaster resale. Different sites that are actually different from the main sites, but of course they're not independent because they're dependent on the main sites. So both of them offer the resale platforms, and then so Ticketek and Ticketmaster caters to different market segments, and each having its own unique set of features and offerings. So whichever platform you opt for, both Ticketek and Ticketmaster promise an exceptional ticket buying experience for all your entertainment needs. So now that we have come to this conclusion, what's your own conclusion? To Ticketek or Ticketmaster, which one would you run for, or which one would you just easily accept? That's up to you. I hope this tutorial marvelously helps you search.